Hi, thank you for your interest in our Lamborghini Urus. Let me show you around the car. So this is a 2023 73 reg Lamborghini Urus S. It's finished in Grigio Antares special order colour. The car's been protected with PPF on the whole car from new, so the bodywork's in excellent condition. Let me show you around the bonnet. PPF has been done to a very high standard. It's barely visible. No stone chips or marks. The car has the black gloss styling package, which incorporates the vents, the mirrors, the window surrounds, air vents. It's sitting on 23-inch alloy wheels in satin black. They all have the ceramic brakes. Looking down the side of the car, there's no evidence of any previous repair work. All the panels are true and straight with no wobbles. Exactly as it should be. Tyres are all in excellent condition. It's on Pirelli P0s. All the wheels are in good condition. This car came with a 4-year manufacturer's warranty and a 4-year service plan, both which are still valid. It's had both its first services done on time at Lamborghini. Inside you've got boot liner, a suede parcel shelf, let me show you the interior. This has got the two-tone black and white leather, also with a mix of Alcantara and the white stitching. It's got a great specification, Bang & Olufsen hi-fi system. It's got massage seats, heated seats, cooling seats, head-up display. It's only done 11,480 miles. Panoramic roof. Seats are in excellent condition, no wear to the bolsters or the base. I'll show you the rear. Soft closed doors. Let me show you around the other side. It's got the heat reflective front screen as well. The condition is exactly as you'd want it to be. Really well looked after. Leather's in fantastic condition. and also centre console, all clean, no scratches or scuffs. It really is a stunning combination, this one. Show you the rear again from this side. Got a lovely Alcantara headlining. So as previously mentioned, still covered by the Lamborghini warranty. They have 4 years from new, so this will run until September 2027. The service plan runs to the same time. We offer finance, part exchange, home delivery as well. The car's in absolutely superb condition. With regards to finance, our rates start from 8.9% APR, and we can offer HP, PCP and lease purchase. If you need any further details, please let us know. The full specification is published on our website. This car is ready to drive away. If you're interested, please give us a shout.